guys, welcome back to my channel, G Sensei TV. I have a special guest
For today?
for today or for this video. So in today's video, Ruth's going to try Filipino snacks, the ones that we received from Kathy and Peter Jacobs. So we'll start with, na-open ko na to siya. I already opened this one. By the way, while Ruth tries the snack, we're gonna answer some questions from my friends from YouTube and also Facebook. So let's start with Piatos. This is
Kaas. Flavored potato crisps.
Cheese flavor. You have to say 1 to 10, Papa.
Just try now.
Do you like it? Yeah.
7.5.
7.5. Wow, your standard is so high.
Yeah.
For me, it's good. Yeah, because
For chips is good. 7.5. I won't forget, huh?
7.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have a good memory, Mom.
No, I know.
You check the question first, Papa. Yeah, Catherine from Catherine Casteran, the one in France.
But what's Sherwood?
Don't include Charlotte.
Okay.
That's an expression.
Have you experienced any kind of difficulty being new to the place where you are now?
How do you? That's for me.
That's for you?
Yeah, a lot of difficulties.
The most difficulty thing?
Language. For me.
Yeah. Okay.
Language is totally different. So yeah, I'm gonna start studying Ruth's language, the Dutch language, next week. I can already understand some words and can speak or make simple sentences. Very simple sentences.
Yeah, but at least you can understand. When people are saying something, you understand where they're talking about.
Yeah, some. But when they speak fast, then...
No, okay, but the beginning is already there.
How do you cope with it? I ask Ruth every time.
Yeah, but when I'm not there.
I ask Oma.
Yeah.
And Opa.
That's
I ask his parents because most of the time they're here or I'm with them.
Yeah,
Or
they come
we're
over
with
a
them.
lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
So I ask them, or if not, then Ruth, or I Google Translate. Or I have a Dutch translator, not an app.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the first question, and then we're gonna try another snack. So this is Pro Food Cebu Philippines dried mango pineapple balls.
A lot of.
So it's like a candy.
It's like. Oh, they are loose. That's good.
Yeah? It's
Oh,
like
it's really good.
candy?
Yeah, it's candy.
What's that? Pineapple or mango?
Like I the pineapple is more.
I think this is pineapple too.
Yeah, it's
sweet.
maybe a little bit mango in it, but most of it is pineapple.
Oh, it's mixed. You mean?
Yeah,
And
that's
mango.
good.
Yeah, because
It's
it's
a good
sweet.
snack.
It's good.
Sweet. 8.
Wee, you
That's
like
better
this?
than that one.
Can you believe
Yeah,
it's better than
For
the
one,
others?
huh?
Okay.
For one.
Okay.
For one or for
That's,
two.
yeah, I won't influence your answer because that's yours.
Yeah, I don't care what you do.
Second question, Dodo. Rosemary
Um,
ADL.
yeah.
She has 7 questions. So first question.
Yeah, when or where did you meet? Yeah, that was in Vietnam in January 2019.
When in January?
Yeah, I arrived at 7th.
No, you left the
Oh, then
Netherlands.
I've been there.
You
Yeah,
arrived
okay,
on
then
the
yeah, okay, then I arrived on the 8th of January. Yeah,
Okay.
8th of January 2019 in Ho Chi Minh,
Ho Chi
Saigon.
Minh City.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's-
As soon as he arrived in Saigon, we met.
yeah. Where was your first trip together?
Dalat in
That was
Vietnam.
first trip. Dalat in Vietnam.
Yeah.
Was for how long did we went there? 3 days.
No. 4 days, I think. I think 4 days
Yeah, the first
total.
trip. Yeah, okay, 4 days.
Total
Yeah, that was
4
the
days.
first trip together. How do I drink my tea or coffee? I think. I don't drink coffee, so that's easy. How do I drink my tea? Yeah, without sugar. And I have different kinds of teas. I
Yeah.
like every tea except normal tea
Black tea.
and black tea.
You don't like black
No.
tea.
Who usually wins arguments? Yeah, that's clear, I think.
So,
Who usually wins arguments?
what made you say that?
Wins like I'm right. That doesn't mean that I win. Maybe That's
Sabaw,
maybe
eh?
not the thing.
We don't normally have
No,
arguments.
we don't have big arguments. Normally, no.
Not yet.
How is it to have a foreign... Yeah, boy, girlfriend. How is it to have a foreign girlfriend? Ah, that's good. It's like something in the beginning is a little bit... Because like, how you say things like that?
Culture.
Culture. Culture was different. But it's good. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, how can I explain it more? How
Yeah.
is it to have a foreign... Yeah. Who is more jealous?
Are you jealous, Papa?
No. Yeah, you also. I don't know if
No.
you're that jealous. We're
Me.
not that jealous people, no. Maybe she's jealous. Who was it? Rosemary? I think you're the most jealous one of the three of us. Yeah, I think.
No, we haven't thought about like you got jealous or I got jealous.
Nee.
Nothing? No.
What TV show do I like that you hate? Yeah, which TV show do...
Do I like?
I'm not a big fan of Korean dramas. She watches a lot of Korean dramas.
Never watches my Korean dramas.
Never,
Even
no.
though I tell him it's not just drama like romance.
Not just
also-
dramas, also Korean. Yeah.
Boy.
But that are all our questions.
Wait. What TV show do you
Oh, yeah.
like that I hate?
Yeah?
Not hate, but I'm not into it.
Yeah, which one?
You know what it is. Lucifer.
Oh, yeah, but that's not... Is that TV? Yeah, that's TV.
I
show.
don't
It's
hate
Netflix.
I don't hate it. I also watched some episodes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rosemary. Shout out
Thank you.
from Friesland.
Oh, from Friesland.
the
Yeah,
one
I
that-
saw some Dutchie.
Let's try the Mr. Chips.
Mr. Chips. That sounds
I
good.
think you've tried this one in Cebu.
Maybe I don't think so. It looks a little bit like what we call here Doritos. I don't know if they have that too.
Yeah, we have
Yeah?
Doritos too.
It's more like that one. It's like not thick. It's
Yeah. It's a little bit salty though.
and that's normal with chips. It's always salty.
Mm.
Looks good.
Yeah.
The same as that one. 7.5. And both of them are good. I don't know if they are not for the same brand. I think. Yeah? Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill too.
Yeah, they're a little bit similar. Yeah.
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 Okay. Let's try this. Chippy, the blue one. This is chili and cheese. Ooh,
But corn chips.
corn chips. I like the red one.
I'm not a big fan. I'm totally not a fan of chili or spicy.
Ruud can't eat
But
spicy.
cheese. Cheese sounds good.
Let's
But
try a little bit one and then you have one. Can you smell chili already? That's a big one. Just a little bit. If it's really spicy.
not spicy yet.
It's not spicy at all, I think.
No, maybe really little bit. If there's nothing, I can eat it. But it's not like that I would get in the shop.
So
It's not bad. It's not.
maybe if you try the red one, you will like it. Because it's also barbecue.
For me, it's a 6.
Six?
It's good to eat,
Oh.
but it's not what.
Not bad.
Not bad, but not my favorite. Yeah, that's for you.
Do you miss being an English teacher? Yes, every day.
Every day?
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can still be a teacher, but you have to do education.
I worked as an English teacher for 11 years, I think. 11 years.
Ah, that can be. You're old, so that can be 11 years.
Ruud is 3 years older than me.
I'm younger than her. Everybody knows that already, but I will
No,
tell them.
I'm a little bit older than Ruud. I'm months older than him. Not 1 year. Months. Only 7 months. Oi.
Yes, only 7 months. That's
Only 7 months. Do you miss
being an English teacher or being single.
being single? I can't imagine anymore. Especially now we have Anna.
Yeah, that's true. That's totally different situation. Yeah. For me, the same. It's not the same. It's more with Anna. How did you know he's the one for you? So she asked you. She asked you.
When when I always wait for his messages, or because
In
I
Vietnam.
in Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yeah, after we met, and then when I went back to Cebu, and then I told you that I missed you.
Yeah. For me,
After
also
our
I think
trip.
I really saw. Yeah, after our trip, but really the one I think on the second trip. I went
The
back
second-
to Vietnam. Yeah. Because I really liked you and I already know, but of course, like in the second time, because you're back, you are in Vietnam, I was here, and then I already know from I miss you, but I know that I couldn't see you. That's why I went back as soon as possible.
Yeah,
and then I really know. Then we had a long trip together, like 3 weeks.
January to February, and then you came back 6 months later, no? 6 months or 7
Yeah, 6 months, and then we had a trip for 3 weeks.
Yeah, because when he was in Vietnam for the first time, we couldn't really spend time, like really spend
More
time.
in the evening because you had
Only,
to work.
yeah, I had to work, so we only met in the evenings and yeah, had dinner or we went to the movies. And then when we went on a trip, that was only for like what, 3-4 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then after that I went back to Cebu, and then he also went to another area or other areas in Vietnam. And then when he came back and I also went back to Vietnam, we only had few days, and then you had to come back to Netherlands.
Yeah.
So we didn't really get to spend time, like not enough to like we get to know each other.
Yeah, that's true. It was short.
Yeah.
This one I already tried.
Yeah.
That one for sure I tried. And I know I like it because I bought it one time in Cebu.
Do you want to open this one?
No, I will save because otherwise, that one I like. It's 8 at least.
8? Oh, that's the highest so far. Nova.
Yeah, and this one.
This is butter flavored cream cracker sandwich. Butter flavor.
Butter. Okay, I thought
Boter.
it was a little bit like cheese, but
So butter in Dutch is boter.
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 Boter, yeah.
Yeah, but Sheila said my R shouldn't be changed.
Butter flavor. Ah, wait, it's seeds between it.
Really buttery?
Yeah. Mm.
You're not a big fan?
Not a big fan. You want to try?
I've tried this one. It's okay.
Yeah, okay.
Smells good.
5.
We only have 4 left.
I give it a 5. I must rate it.
Sorry. 5. This is 5. The lowest so far, Dodo.
Low so far, yeah, for sure.
I already have.
I already know this. I really don't like it.
This one first. Boy bao. Bawang means garlic.
Garlic can be okay.
In Dutch it's knoflook.
Knoflook, yeah.
Pronunciation now. Knoflook.
With an angry man here. It's more like.
More you feel it's
more
really
like
spicy.
nuts.
But I think it's assorted, Dodo.
That's a good thing, yeah. Cheese. A lot of cheese snacks in the Philippines.
Yeah, we also like
cheese. All the chips is with cheese.
Yeah, we like cheese too.
It's not that chili.
Yeah, I like it, Dodo.
It's good. 6.5.
Okay, that's not bad.
6.5 between that.
Not bad.
No, it's not bad. It's good.
Question, Papa.
Gang kanus a balik kawon ngoyong. Yeah, that's in.
That's from Jessica's sister,
Yeah.
my friend in Japan, and her sister is also my friend.
Yeah, what was she asked?
When
It's
it's
okay.
so far. Wait up. Gang is how they call me. Gang. When are you gonna eat ngoyong again? It's like lumpia, dong, but not exactly lumpia. But we didn't try. We couldn't try it in the Filipina because it was closed. The shop was closed. Kano sa kabalik ka on ngoyong. When I go back to Cebu, definitely I'll try ngoyong. It's really good, dong. I'm not sure if you like it, but he likes lumpia. Cebu. Again, ngoyong po. I'll insert ko yung picture dito ng
Don't
ngoyong.
miss balut.
Balut. You have to try balut.
I didn't try balut.
The next one is shamrock. Ayan. Otap. Puff pastry. This is also popular. But I think it's
Skim milk, eggs. Yeah, that sounds
small
good.
pieces now. There's a little bit of sugar.
It's more a little bit like cookie.
Yeah.
No?
It is a cookie.
Yeah.
You like it?
I don't recognize like something familiar.
Familiar or similar?
Familiar.
Familiar.
Wow.
Good? Yeah.
it good?
Yeah.
It's more, now, different than this of course, because it's more like, I think it's really good with coffee or with tea.
Tea. Ang tea po dito ay tea.
Yeah, tea. Tea. Yeah, I say it this way, tea. So I must give it a rating. I think 7.5 or 8.
7.5?
7.5, 8.
Quite
It's one
high.
of the better ones. Yeah, because it's a good cookie.
Yeah, it's a nice.
Like I said, by the tea, it's a really.
Okay, this is from Fatima.
Oh, okay.
My friend Fatima also has a YouTube channel. See, I know. Fatima Bear Case Vlogs. So the question is, what are the changes individually or with both after you had Anna?
Yeah, especially that you came to live here. That's a, yeah, that's a fly. Yeah.
Annoying lagi ning langaw.
There's one fly inside.
May langaw po. So
Later you will get them.
You first.
The biggest. Oh, what
What are the changes individually or with both after Anna?
In
Living
the
together?
beginning, living together. In the beginning was more the sleeping. The biggest.
Oh, like after, yeah.
In the beginning, that's.
For you?
Yeah, for me, yeah, for you maybe a bit too. But
For you?
yeah, Anna,
Yeah, I
in the
know.
beginning, Anna wakes up a lot of times.
No, first in Cebu, ah.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, in Cebu, but here too. That was the most difficult thing for me in the beginning, like sleeping. Normally I had to sleep and I sleep 8 hours straight and I go to work. And now not. Yeah, now I can, but
Sleeping? Yeah, number one, yeah, for me. Yeah, sleeping too. Like, I think even until now, I can't sleep like straight. Or unless Anna's with her Opa and Oma.
tomorrow.
Yeah, like tomorrow, Anna will be staying at her grandparents, so we can sleep in, I hope. So yeah, the sleeping. And then, of course, maybe both living together.
Yeah, but yeah, that's true. But that's, I don't know if that's with Anna.
Yeah, with Anna too. Like,
Okay.
like having a family.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Living together, yeah, that's.
And of course, only Ruth is working now. So.
Yeah, that's also true. Yeah, yeah, that's also. I know that's difficult for you in the beginning to get used to.
Nee,
it.
I mean, yeah, it's difficult for me too, but
Yeah.
only at the beginning. But then for you too, because you're the only one working now.
Yeah, okay.
He's
but
the only
that's-
one supporting us for now. So
Yeah, but that's
it's a big change, really, really.
That's a big change.
That's a big change. It's like most of the time I can't think of myself because it's basically for Anna all the time. I think about
Anna's
Anna
still
all
young
the time.
because when Anna's a little bit older and yeah, she's really old then she can go more to kindergarten and things like that. Yeah,
This one is spicy. Do you want to try this?
Is
This is really spicy. If it's not too spicy, then maybe just a little bit, Papa. Like a little bit.
with like
Just don't buy too much, because he can't eat spicy. A little kick to it,
little. It's not a kick, but
but buang. If you eat more and more.
yeah, then it's not only the kick, but more the taste itself. It's not my
prawn.
taste.
It's seafood.
Yeah, but prawn can be if you deep fry it, of course. Then it can be good. But
These are two things you don't like:
yeah,
spicy and
deep, yeah.
seafood.
I must give it a rating. Yeah, you forget it every time because you're old, but that's okay.
Fish caught. Yeah.
A
What?
4.
4? Why? It's quite high. I thought you would say 1 or 2.
I have a feeling that 1 or 2 is coming.
This one.
What's the question?
Vina's question was, how did you meet?
How?
How?
Yeah, I went to.
Hey, that's not how we met.
No, I'm not finished. Don't
Okay.
interrupt. I went to Vietnam. We already texted each other by Tinder.
Yeah.
We meet up by Tinder.
We
And-
met or through Tinder.
Yeah, that's the way. we met.
How long had you been using Tinder at that time?
How long? Does she ask that?
No.
I'm
curious. I'm curious, Wonka.
I don't know. I had a long time on my phone, but sometimes I used it, sometimes I didn't use. I don't know how long it was. For sure it was over a year that I had it on my phone. Maybe longer. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I won't use it. So yeah, I don't know exactly, but long. Not like I had it for a couple days. I had it longer, but
I had it for a few months.
okay.
Because my Japanese friend in New Zealand recommended one, and that one because she met her boyfriend there, and she said, "Oh, do you want to try this?" I said, "Oh, okay, I'm curious." Like that.
Yeah. Oh, that's the last one.
This is the last one. This is fish flavored cracker, original flavor.
Looks weird.
Just imagine it's kibling.
No, it doesn't smell bad.
The only
It smells like nothing.
fish that Ruth likes is kibling, the deep fried fish. It's like crackling.
No, really tough. Like,
I'm not really fan.
it tastes really like fish, but it's
not-
really dry.
Yeah, but if you eat this with vinegar, you dip.
Yeah, maybe if you dip. It doesn't taste like fish like I expected, but it's just really dry.
There's like an aftertaste, but a little kick.
Yeah.
Oh,
3.5.
3.5, really?
Yeah, because it's not. I can eat
One.
it. It's good.
And
This one I really
Nova.
like.
Nova.
Oh yeah, this one, but we didn't open it.
Yeah, we did.
Oh,
Yeah, all top that you already.
if I choose this one of the good ones, but these three I really don't like. I don't like.
You don't like.
I won't eat them again.
Okay.
But this one's,
Yeah,
of course, I like
was
chips.
expecting you won't like
I like
that.
chips and cookies, of course, with sugar. But I wasn't expecting to like this one, but it's good.
So, yun na lahat yung snacks na natanggap namin from Catherine and Peter Jacob. Last question.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have. Last question is, do you have a plan to have a baby sister or brother for Anna?
We have two spoiled babies in the house. Two spoiled Filipinas.
Oh boy. Nee.
Not yet, no.
Yeah.
At least, no, not yet at least. Because, G is still adjusting.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm, with work,
But your answer is like, not for now.
you never know. No,
Oh,
but not for
yeah.
now, no. I don't know, in 5 years maybe.
In 5
Then you're really old. That's,
Yate. Nee. Nee.
not for now at least.
For me, nee.
No.
But
For me, not now. Now certainly not. Maybe later.
do you want another kid?
Not now.
Nee, but I mean, you say
I don't
not
know.
now.
I don't know. Not now. In 5 years I will see. Then I know.
In 5 years, I'm already old.
Yeah. Now you're also really old. But you also. No, not now. Maybe later. Yeah. G for definitely says no. But for me, maybe later. Not
No,
now.
I would say no. But you never know. I could change
Before
my
with
mind.
Anna, you maybe said no too.
Yeah.
And then it happened, and now you cannot
Somehow.
leave without.
Yeah, that's the
without
thing.
Anna.
Because we didn't plan Anna. That's the thing.
No, we didn't plan it. no.
Anna was a big surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah, but of course, we're happy that we have Anna now.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't expect, or I didn't really think about having a baby. But not really like, strongly not plan to have a baby, but I didn't think about it. But yeah, Anna, we have our baby Anna, our lab. So yeah, yun lang yung lahat ng questions, and that's all for our video for this
time.
for this vlog.
Maybe one time we're gonna try Dutch snacks.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna try Dutch snacks.
So yun lang, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you to dog.
Thank you.
And see you sa susunod naming video. Babush!
Babush.